To build technology that serves India, AI models must understand how the country actually speaks, from regional dialects to code-mixed conversations. All of it must be included. AI4Bhārat and Bodhan AI have now unveiled Indic Transcribe, which is an automatic speech recognition model specifically engineered for India's linguistic diversity. Before we take a deeper dive into the story, let me quickly tell you about an event that you don't want to miss. Cypher 2026 takes place on October 7th to 9th at KTPO right here in Namba, Bengaluru. It's featuring Grandmaster Arjun Erigesi, creative producer Lakshmi R. Iyer, and climate tech innovator Sumit Dagar. It's a stage which is built for big ideas and it's built for fresh perspectives. So get your passes now and we'll see you at Cypher 2026. With that, here's the story. Now, trained on 1.3 million hours of speech data across 1.2 billion parameters, the model supports 26 Indian languages alongside English. It in fact accurately processes multi-language code mixing, distinct accents, and unpresented regional dialects often omitted from mainstream Indian AI platforms. Indic Transcribe also processes children's speech, built using strict ethical protocols including parental consent, child assent, and regulatory clearance. The core mission of Indic Transcribe is enabling every teacher and student in India to interact with technology in their native language and their native accent. While built first for classrooms, the model is designed as an open voice layer across edtech, across healthcare, finance, and public governance. Indic Transcribe officially goes live on September 5th, 2026, and it is to be hosted on the Bodhan AI platform for community access. Here, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is the front page take on the story. Indic Transcribe is a major step towards voice-first digital inclusion for India. By capturing 26 languages, mixed speech, and children's voices with strict ethical standards, AI4Bhārat and Bodhan AI are proving that technology built for India must begin with linguistic sovereignty. However, much like we previously highlighted on front page itself, this milestone also reinforces a critical gap in India's sovereign AI ecosystem yet again. While spoken and written dialects are receiving massive research coverage here, the Indian Sign Language remains entirely left out of the development roadmap. So the questions here are, will domestic AI pioneers expand their sovereignty push rather, to build computer vision models for Indian Sign Language next? And will open source voice models like Indic Transcribe accelerate the adoption of AI across government services and rural edtech faster than commercial alternatives? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page My AI Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.